All right, guys, so this is a try it question, but I want to remind you about how to draw a Venn diagram before you answer these questions on your own. So remember that when you're drawing a Venn diagram, we're going to label all sections. So we're going to read first and then make sure we label. In a group of 100 customers at Big Red's Pizza, 80 of them ordered mushrooms on their pizza, 72 ordered pepperoni, and 60 customers ordered both mushrooms and pepperoni on their pizza. So we have mushrooms and pepperoni. That's going to be my two circles because those are the subgroups that they've been given us. So I'm going to say M is for mushrooms and P is for pepperoni, I'm sorry. And then remember that the entire rectangle represents the universal set, which in this case is the entire restaurant. When we build a Venn diagram, we want to begin with the overlap. So the first thing I want to label is how many people ordered pizza with mushrooms and pepperoni. And we're told here that there were 60 customers who ordered both. So the 60 would go right here. Then as I move over here to mushrooms, the total mushrooms is 72, but I've already accounted for 60, I'm sorry. So we're going to take that total and we're going to subtract out the 60 we've already accounted for. And that means there are really only 12 people who ordered just mushrooms on their pizza. Likewise, when I come over here to pepperoni, oh, except you guys, I just read that wrong. Hold on a second. I need to fix this. This is not the right one. Reading is hard, I guess, this morning. Let me fix that. 80 of them ordered mushrooms. Attention to detail, Mrs. Wirt, make it happen. So I should be doing 80 minus 60 there. And so my answer wouldn't be 12, it would be 20. When I come over to pepperoni, it's the pepperoni that were ordered by 72 people. I'm sorry, guys. And so we would have 72 minus the 60 we've already accounted for. So we do still have 12. It's just that there are 12 people who ordered only pepperoni, not 12 people who ordered only mushroom. Now, we're not totally finished here because we do need to figure out how many people are still in this universal set. And so we have accounted for 20 mushroom only and 60 both. That's a total of 80. And 12 pepperoni only. That makes 92. So if there are 92 people in the circles and there were 100 people total, then that leaves just 8 people out here for my universal. And that is the total number of people in the restaurant minus the 92 that were represented in one of the circles. Okay, I'm going to pause this here. Now that we have our Venn diagram created, I want you to try examples A and B using the same method that we did in example 2. Pause, and I'll come back in just a minute. Okay, so now that we have that part figured out, A and B look similar in that they both have a 60 on top. In both problems, they're asking for that overlapping region of mushrooms and pepperoni. But in example A, we had a condition, so my denominator is based on that condition of pepperoni only, where B did not have a condition, so I was looking at the entire restaurant. Okay, I'm going to stop this one here. Let me know if you have questions.